And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 80. Let me show you the custom shapes. You'll find them where all of these other shapes are, so rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon, line, and triangle tool. U is the short key for this toolbox, and whatever shape is active, just right click on the box, and then you will find the custom shapes at the bottom. Left click on it to activate it. I've got it set to an animal. You can left click on your canvas, and then for example make that 100 times 100. Fill and stroke is set above, just like with all the other tools. We'll make that for example red and black. Now left click drag instead of left clicking. You can see there are a couple of fragments. This is because the stroke is too thick. I've got it set to 10 pixels. And if I make this extreme, you get thicker and longer fragments. But at around 1 or 2 pixels, you shouldn't have an issue with these shapes. Let me delete this one. One more thing to add is I've got it set to shape. You can also make it a path, but shape is usually what you want if you just want to have an icon, for example. With the drop down here, you can pick by default wild animals, flowers, trees, and boats. Let me pick, for example, this one. I'll delete it. Let me add a tree. And you can still transform that. Just make sure the layer is active, press Ctrl T. So you can treat this like any other object. And via the properties menu, you can change the colors afterwards. If you don't see that at all, go to Window, click on Properties, and then it should pop up. And this is how you can create custom shapes in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.